So you have your freshly painted cabinets. How do you clean those without damaging them? So I think most time when people think about cleaning, they think of harsh chemicals to do the work. We need to think the opposite when we're thinking about painted cabinet doors. Same would hold true if you have stained doors that you want to clean as well. So really, household products that you probably already have on hand are going to be the best bet for cleaning your freshly painted or stained cabinet doors and drawers. So what I would recommend is that you get multiple buckets, work with two, one with clean water, clean warm water, one with warm water with dish soap. And people might say, dish soap for cleaning my cabinets? Well, let's think about this again. Probably what's on your cabinets is going to be stuff from the kitchen. Again, grease, cooking, dirty hands. And we use dish soap to get rid of those greasy films on our dishes. So it's the perfect product that's not toxic and perfect for cleaning your cabinets. So let's get one bucket with warm water and one bucket with warm soapy water with dish soap in. There's no perfect combination here. We just want enough dish soap to create a sudsy environment. And then I recommend using microfiber cloths. I would say to have 3 cloths, one for cleaning, one for rinsing, and then one for drying once you're done with the rinse. So the idea would be to soak your microfiber, wring it out with the soapy water, and then clean the cabinet in a circular motion all the way around. Then take your clean water, again with the new microfiber cloth, wring that out and wipe the cabinet down so that you're removing all the soap film. And then the third microfiber cloth would be your dry microfiber cloth that we're going to take the excess water off of. If you use this procedure and don't get too aggressive, you're going to have beautiful cabinets that are going to last a long time. The one mistake people make with painted cabinets is they get too aggressive. They use either harsh chemicals or they feel like they need to use some very aggressive plastic bristled brush or scrubby, green scrubby pad. If you do that, you are going to damage the surface film, and that's what we want to avoid here. So remember, dish soap, which you probably have at hand, microfiber cloth you may need to purchase, and just some buckets for your water. And if you follow these steps, I think you'll be happy with your cabinets, and they're going to last a long time and stay beautiful for you. So appreciate you watching. Hope this was helpful, and please hit subscribe and like.